Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off reviews on your Amazon shopping app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your account. So you just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on settings, then it's going to show for you window like this. And you just click here on permissions. So you go to next window here and you just waiting to show for you this window here or open for you. So and you go down here, you just keep going here, then you come to, so you just keep going and you come here to reviews. You click here on this mark or this color, and like you see now, so you just waiting, like you see now color it's gone, that's my reviews, it's on off now. So that's all you have to do, just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish you know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.